The structure for holding the hoist system is tied to for purpose of shipping.
So we got everything out here, right? So,
Yep.
yeah. Okay.
All right, so I'm going to walk around this way.
All right.
Okay. We got
Yeah, open up. There we go. PLC's up, barely just a small window on there, but we're good to go there.
little micrologics.
Yeah, we've got outputs, yeah, little micrologics, yeah. One muffin fan and good to go.
Okay.
Come around here, backside. Air circuit, this is mine, I came off the air input, I got my own on there. And we'll show the other side of that, I can open the cover, so at least to show the motor down here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just want to do that now,
Yeah,
or?
no, yeah, go around, yeah, walk
Okay.
around, I'll pop the cover open, show the rest of the backside, and we'll go up front, I can pop that open.
Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say, watch out for that skid.
What's
I
good?
thought you seen it.
Okay.
And, yeah, the front end here, you showed all this, blower motor.
Yeah.
Just so I can open it up and just kind of take a peek in here, without pulling it all the way down. It's all pretty much intact.
Yeah, looks like the same
Yeah,
from the other side. Okay.
yeah, thanks, you see everything.
Oh, except you see the face. Yep.
You see more,
Okay.
you see much more. And, we got, what, 3 pages here, you can probably show, we're in main menu. We got alarm history, if you want to close in on that. All the old stuff is from 19, when they had low gas pressure or air pressure. All of these are me from the last couple of days of E-stop. That said, we pull out of that, we can show graphs. Graphs, that page comes up okay. Different graphs. And show graph for all, I don't know what, yeah, I'm not sure what I'm doing here. But it shows it, and then back to main page. Main menu with open close lid is right here. I gotta hold it down if you wanna pull back and kind of watch the lid open up. I'm just gonna hold the open button. That's all, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
There we go, I'll go halfway up or so. There we go, midstream, halfway.
Okay.
I didn't take it all the way. I mean, enough to see in there.
Tell Fred to get a quieter car.
Yeah. Yeah. You'll probably hear him take off in a minute.
Okay.
Okay, close
Yeah,
it.
let's shut it.
Yeah. Closed.
Okay.
Could slow that down.
I don't think there's much else to show, right?
No, the ancillary equipment,
Yeah,
couple
really.
screens, that's about it. We're coming in on a 480 line here, 3-phase for what it's worth, and one airline. It's temped in. That's
Okay.
about it, Chief.
Good, thank you.
Okay.